Often Racing getting a good start in the middle. That's Gelroy. Right there too, that's Hail the Queen. And Hail the Queen is traveling powerfully in the early stage. Over in the middle, that's Dream to Reality, Chinita Estrella. A plum is also on the far side, and way over on the far side, that's Golden Lawyer. So Hail the Queen and a Small Boss. This is the way they come out of the chute. Hail the Queen just may be the leader. Small Boss is right there too. Also coming down into it, the Queen's Bee, but it's Hail the Queen. Looks to have them off their legs coming to the furlong pole. It's Hail the Queen beginning to sprint away from these. And Hail the Queen is really turning it on this afternoon in race number 2. Hail the Queen, sprinting off by maybe 6 lengths. A plum is second, then comes Chinita Estrella, Golden Lawyer, and Speed on Wheels back in 5th.
Thank you for watching another video produced by the team from QuickGallopJaia.com and its YouTube channel, The Quick Galloper. Please stay on the channel for other enlightening videos on those involved in local horse racing. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell.